Hi, I'm Katie, the Marketing Coordinator at Real Street Staffing. On behalf of our Business Development Manager, Chris, myself, and the entire Real Street team, I would like to thank everyone that came by our booth at the SAN conference in Kansas City. Hopefully, in the midst of all the hubbub of the event, you took a moment to enjoy our brewski and baseball themed promotion. This time featuring a local beer, Boulevard Brew, and our hometown team, the Orioles. Oh, and speaking of the O's, there's the matter of the drawing. I know that's why you're really here. You want to know who won the night at a private suite at Baltimore's Camden Yards during the Orioles' 2014 season? Well, let's draw the winner. Okay, let's shake it up a little bit, mix it around. And the lucky winner who gets a private suite in an Orioles game is Mary at Stell Environmental Enterprises. Pack a bag because you're out of here. Okay, well, not into the 2014 baseball season. Regardless, congratulations! You've just won a private suite at Baltimore's Camden Yards. So grab your Orioles rally towel and get ready for an event you'll never forget. Again, I would like to thank everyone who entered into our drawing and stopped by the Real Street Staffing booth. We really enjoyed meeting you and look forward to an ongoing relationship. See you around!